Let's understand what is voucher and what is invoice. Voucher is basically a written document in support of a transaction. It is a proof that a particular transaction has taken place for the value that is stated in the voucher. So the voucher may be in the form of a cash receipt, okay? It can be in the form of cash memo, or it can be in the form of bank pay-in slip, and voucher is necessary to audit the accounts. So I'll repeat, voucher is a written document in support of a transaction, and it is a proof that a particular transaction has taken place. So it may be in the form of a cash receipt, invoice, a cash memo, a bank pay-in slip, and voucher is absolutely essential for carrying out the audit functions. Then what is invoice? Invoice is a business document which is prepared when one sell goods to the another. So the statement is prepared by the seller of goods. Generally it is prepared by the seller of goods, and it will contain the information relating to the name and address of the seller, okay, and the buyer, the date of sale. So it will also contain information about the buyer, the date of sale, then the description, the clear description of goods with quantity and price. In future or somewhere in the later sessions, I'll give you the format of invoice and how it would look like.
Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you liked this lecture. If you wish to learn more on the areas related to this topic, check our comprehensive course. I have shared the details and link in the description below. Click sign up and enroll. I'll see you inside the course.